Hey, here in this video, we are going to learn about how to install the WordPress with the help of cPanel. Let's get started. First, log into the cPanel with the help of username and password and navigate to WordPress Manager. Just click on that and navigate to new site. Now here you can find all the domain names that you are hosting within your present package of the web hosting. Now here I just have one domain, that is a quickfreehosting.com, on which I would like to install the WordPress. To install the WordPress, just click on install. Now here you can find that your WordPress has been successfully installed, and this is your username of your WordPress logins, and this is the password of your WordPress login. I hope you found this video very useful. If you do so, just hit the like button and have a nice day. Thank you.